Hey everybody, it's Neil. I have an EV charging station. We have a couple of Teslas here, so why not have a couple of chargers? So there we go. We're gonna check this thing out and see what's inside. It comes with a little bag, so if you want to carry it with you, you are able to. It's got the instruction manual here, the Q Series AC portable with EV charger. We've got the charger here. Wow, this is a big piece of machinery. Look at the size of this thing. It's by BOSDANTUN. And so let's take off some of these things here. So it's going to plug into our 50 amp outlet here. And if we wanted to mount it to the wall, which we probably will, it'll be like that, and then this slides into it. So that's what that is for there. And I'll show you. And look at the size of this cable. Holy mackerel, this is one thick cable. That is a monster. So this is awesome. So this is how this is going to be here. So let's take this off. I don't even know. This is not very flexible wire at the moment, but we're going to make it work. Okay. So we are going to unravel this here. And the end is for, you know, that any of the, this will plug into the normal size chargers, the normal chargers like the Rivians and other things like that. I have the converter thing to plug it into the Tesla, so we'll do that here in a second. So let me just run this thing around here for a second. Okay. Sorry, that was just a big cable. So let's plug this in, and then we'll go from there. So let's see what happens here. So here we are plugged in. It's loading up, and it says it's not charging because it's not charging. Because we don't have it plugged in yet. But let's go over here to the car, and we'll give it a shot. So it's got a decent length cable, that's for sure. It comes all the way around here. So and we're gonna try Tesla 2 here. So I've got my little converter, so that's what you do. So if you want to plug a Tesla in, you just use that little device there. So if you have a Tesla, you're probably familiar with it by now. So here we are plugged in. I heard some clicking, and there we are charging. So let's go see, let me go in there and see how fast this is going to charge at. This is going to do 40 amps. So it's counting up right now. So this is going to be a 40 amp charger. So it's going to be the ones that come with the Tesla. I think that those are 32. So this is going to be faster than that. So this is 40. I think you can even get up to 50, but that would, I don't know, you'd probably need a faster breaker to get 50 amps going because it would be too much. But with this thick cable, you're going to be solid. It's going to be good. I probably wouldn't use this one. It came with the bag so you can carry it with you, but my guess is this is when you're going to want to keep it home because this is quite a wire here. So if you're plugging it in somewhere, you're lugging around a lot of cable. But it works and it's good. Let me see what I'm up to here. If it's charging now, it is. We're doing our full 40, so it got to 40 fast. So it's nice. It's a nice charger and it's solid, so it's good. I'm gonna say thumbs up for me on this for sure.